Once you have been assigned a pupil, you're ready to sign up for your weekly tutoring session using the scheduling calendar. To schedule a session, go to www.tutormate.org and sign in using the same username and password you used when you registered with TutorMate. Please note that the TutorMate program works best in Google Chrome. Other internet browsers are not as well supported, and the platform does not work at all in Internet Explorer. The scheduling calendar is a virtual replica of the class timetable shared by you and your pupil's teacher, and is where you book your weekly tutoring sessions. Before your team starts tutoring, the teacher will block out times on the calendar that are not approved for tutoring. These will appear on the calendar in black. You're welcome to sign up during any time that is not blocked out by the teacher or already taken by another volunteer on your team. Now let's take a look at how to schedule a weekly session. As we've just mentioned, the teacher will black out times on the calendar that are not available for tutoring. These times are indicated in black and are times like lunchtime or break, when students are either out of the classroom or occupied by another activity. You cannot book a session during a blackout time. The calendar is a Monday to Friday calendar and is date specific. Review the calendar for a day and time that is available for both you and your pupil. Available times are in white. Click in the cell to open the scheduling window. Verify the date and time selected. Make sure you check both the beginning and ending time of your session. If you'd like to adjust your session start or end time, you can do so here. Decide whether you'd like your session to repeat weekly or if you would like to book the time for this week only. The repeating session functionality is useful if you plan to read with your pupil at the same time each week and want to secure this time into the future. This is preferred to build consistency and routine for both you and your pupil. Click Save when done. After you click Save, the box will turn purple. You will see the session time, your pupil's name, and your name in the purple box. If you need to adjust the time of your session, click on the entry and make the necessary change by clicking on the time indicators. Click Update Event to save your entry. If you are tutoring more than one student in the classroom, you will need to schedule a separate session for each student. To schedule the session, click on the Selected Student drop-down, select the student you wish to schedule with, and then add your entry to the schedule. You will notice the selected student name and your name will appear in the session. If you have a scheduling conflict during a particular week and would like to schedule an alternative time for that week only, click on the day and time you would like to reschedule your alternate session and click Save. Notice you now have 2 entries on the calendar. To free up time, should another volunteer need to reschedule their session, please be sure to delete your original event only for that week. Sessions can be viewed by week, as a weekly list, or by month. You can also toggle from week to week and from month to month. Because you share this schedule with your teacher, he or she can also make changes to the calendar. In the event of a field trip, an assembly, or another special activity when children are not available, the teacher can temporarily block those times when they are not in the classroom. If this happens, the block will show up on the calendar. If the temporary block time interferes with your session, you will receive an email explaining that your pupil is not available for tutoring. Please note that for periodic timetable changes, some teachers choose to send you a message from the tutor platform rather than block out times on the calendar. Let's take a quick run through of the features you may find helpful throughout the year. You're welcome to sign up during any time that is not blocked out in black by the teacher. If you find calling the classroom 5 minutes after the hour results in more frequent calls being answered, you can manually adjust the time on the calendar. If you would like to tutor on the same day and time over multiple weeks, you can book a repeating session. You can also toggle from week to week or month to month. We provide a link to quick view instructions for how to use the calendar. To view relevant school holiday dates, click on the school's calendar link to view your school's term dates. If at any time you experience problems during your session that can't be resolved by our chat support team, or you experience frequent no answers, please let us know by sending a message from the support link on the homepage or email us at help@tutormate.org.